is her Hello Kitty.
Ah, show yours too.
Okay. I have to wear this on my seatbelt. Then you should have just taken it out and threw it away.
Yeah, then you need to get out of this car too.
Get out of my car. That's what she said, guys. You heard that? She said, get out of my car. Alright. Rude much? Rude.
Today's weather is so perfect.
It is so good.
Yeah.
So, decided to actually book a yacht for us. It's very exciting. It's number one. And the weather is amazing. It was, funny enough, it was actually raining.
Why?
Most of the weekend, most of the week. And then we thought it's gonna rain and it's gonna be cloudy.
Yeah.
And then today, clear skies, sunset. Come on. What more can you ask for?
We are the weather fairies.
Weather fairies.
Yeah.
Weather. I'll see you, Jang.
Yes.
I'll see you, Jang.
Tryna ride on my back like a Mustang. See ya. I got a watch on my wrist, it's a bust down. See ya. I'm tryna hop on the flight at the top.
Steph dates Yakuzas. Yakuza.
There's like a bad words like chonga, like that. And of course he didn't know that, right?
So like sweating a lot?
Also, our first date and the last date.
Best and the last.
I hope he doesn't. I saw the reels, and imagine you have to go through pregnant twice and giving birth twice, and you have to do We have to go on a diet twice.
How about twins one time?
Yeah, twins, yes. That's what I'm saying. We need to have twins.
Then done.
No, not, yeah, twins,
But
please.
but it's possible actually.
Ah, yes, yeah, you told me. Please,
That'd be nice.
please,
We need to
twins.
create.
Because I also want 2 kids, but not twice. I need 2 kids once, at one time.
She doesn't want to push 2 times. She want to push 1 time.
Yeah, I don't want to go through all the diet thing twice.
She's emphasizing on the twice. It's like twice. Okay, Steph. we done it.
He doesn't want to be with me, so he's using his own umbrella now. This is the evidence that he hates me, guys.
This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make a big umbrella.
No.
There we go. 2 umbrellas. Look how it's working nicely. Wow. Look at this view.
Wow. Wow. And we can walk here.
We can walk at night.
Imagine driving a golf cart on the street, on the road.
In this river. In Seoul, imagine driving in Busan,
Yeah.
where people are driving mad.
Golf cart. There are.
So many.
This car was exactly. Yeah.
You know what's nice about the TGI? I can
It's not a pizza, baby.
eat a shrimp.
After walking around for a while, we decided to have some makgeolli since it was raining. In Korea, usually when it's raining, people have makgeolli and some Korean pancake.
So cute. Yeah. You never tried that, right? Actually, Gyeongju is Where's New York?
Yeah.
Ah!
We had a nice dinner. Now I was just trying to get some nice photo because somebody looks cute. Oh, look at you. 한국.
Korean dessert? Never tried this before. It's made.
It's traditional one.
Don't do that. Come.
Hello,
Oh, hello guys.
grumpy man here.
I'm so hungry.
Weak.
We haven't eaten the whole day and it's almost
12.
1 a.m. It's almost 1 a.m. No cap, for real.
PM.
Oh, PM.
You said AM.
That's how tired I
PM to
am.
the AM.
And that's how hungry. That's how hungry I am. Not enjoying it?
So good. I think you're gonna like it.
Why you wanna switch? Why you wanna switch to mine? I had meat. She had tofu. She wants to switch.
You can try.
All right, I'll try. Is it? What is that?
I used to eat this when I gym.
The gym?
This is like not gummy, not jelly. You can swallow.
Oh. But it can swallow.
Are you ready to get cooking?